Butternut squash is always a fall favorite. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make it into the ultimate side dish. Keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see product reviews that can benefit you in your home, subscribe. Because I do videos about those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below because that's where I'll link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, let's jump into it. Today I am making butternut squash and I am making what I call sunshine in a dish. It is the ultimate side dish. It is maple glazed butternut squash. So before I can start the cooking of it, I will set my oven. I will preheat the oven to 400 degrees and I will get this baby peeled and then we'll get it started. really good, nice and sweet, soft. I think I like it. These are really good. The perfect side dish. Now here's something to think about. The parchment paper really does make a difference. Notice I was able to just dump it off of the parchment paper and into the dish, and my baking sheet is still nice and clean. Otherwise, we would have the cubes of squash stuck to the bottom of the pan and then end up with a bunch of mush. So using the parchment paper is going to be very important. Now here's a question for you. What's your ultimate side dish? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I'd love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.